Facing anger and outrage over RG Kar hospital horror, the West Bengal government is all set to bring in a new anti-rape bill in the special assembly session today. The bill proposes capital punishment for convicts in rape and murder cases and has been named Aparajita Women and Child Bill 2024. The draft bill proposes to amend provisions of the newly passed BNS, Bharatiya Nyaya Suraksha, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, to enhance punishment and ensure speedy investigation and trial for violence against women and children. In its statement of purpose, the draft bill proposes to create a safer environment for women and children and seeks to amend sections broadly pertaining to punishment for rape, rape and murder, gang rape, repeat offenders, disclosure of victim identity, and even causing hurt by use of acid, etc. The draft bill is also slated to introduce significant changes to the investigation and prosecution process. It stipulates that probes into rape cases must be completed within 21 days of the initial report, a reduction from the previous 2-month deadline. To implement these changes, the draft bill also suggests creation of a special task force at the district level named Aparajita Task Force, which would be led by a deputy superintendent of police. Now, this task force would be responsible for investigating offences under the new provisions.
ममता बनर्जी चाहते हैं इसके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी वो लॉ चाहिए, टाइम बाउंड ट्रायल एंड देन फांसी। तो हमारा जो ये स्टैंड है, ममता जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी को भी लेटर लिखी है, उसके बाद नरेंद्र मोदी जी से मुख से थोड़ा ये बात आ रहा है। तो ममता जी पहले सोचा था और अभी असेंबली में ये बिल अभी आ रहा है और शायद कल वो पास हो जाएगा। तो ये तो सबको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए। ये तृणमूल गवर्नमेंट ही पहला गवर्नमेंट है जो ऐसा बिल ला रहा है।
General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee posted urging his party members to not speak ill of anyone, especially the medical fraternity, and also said that the party will not stop till the new provisions are implemented by the centre. Let's in fact take you through what this draft is, what the objective is, what the amendments are that have been sought, and ultimately the demand is swift justice. So these are the objectives. Maximize punishment for raping women, maximum punishment for child sexual assault, to ensure deterrence for sexual offences, ensure exemplary and severe consequences. These are the objectives. Ensure expeditious investigation and trial as well. What are the amendments? Amendments that have been sought: death for rape, rape, murder and gang rape. So along with rape, gang rape has also been included in it. Then death for repeat offenders as well. That's another amendment. Death for disclosure of victim's identity as well has been added. Death for causing hurt by use of acid, etc. Swift justice, I beg your pardon, is the demand. Complete probe in rape cases within 21 days. So it is setting a timeline as well for the investigation. Special task force to expedite the investigations. These are the demands through the bill, or rather the amendments that have been introduced. Now the discussion is slated to happen for 2 hours. BJP will get 1 hour and all female MLAs of the BJP will place their speech on record. The question now is, will Mamata Banerjee be able to diffuse the maelstrom generated by RG Kar rape and murder by bringing in this law?
देखिए, सपोर्ट या ना सपोर्ट ये तो कल आप लोग देख पाएंगे, लेकिन धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं हमारे सम्मानीय एलओपी को कि आज सारे जो हमारे भाजपा के महिला विधायक सबको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया गया कि कल हम लोग अपना वक्तव्य रखेंगे। हमारे अभाया के लिए, सारे पश्चिम बंगाल के अभाया के लिए कल सारे महिला विधायक बात रखेंगे।